Today, we're diving into the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB series DDR5 RAM, specifically the 32GB kit consisting of two 16GB modules, model number F55600J3036D16G8 This memory kit is engineered for high performance and gaming, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to upgrade their systems. With a blistering speed of 5,600 metric tons s and a CAS latency of CL30-36-36-89 at 1.25V, it's designed to push the boundaries of what your PC can handle, especially when paired with Intel Z690 or Z790 series chipsets and 12th or 13th gen Intel Core CPUs. The Trident Z5 RGB series isn't just about performance, it also scores high in aesthetics. The dual-texture heat spreader design combines a sleek black brushed aluminum strip with a metallic silver, matte black, or matte white body. Topping it off is a streamlined RGB light bar that not only enhances your build's look but also provides customizable lighting through G.SKILL's software or third-party motherboard software. This means you can personalize the colors and effects to match your setup's theme effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Trident Z5 RGB series is its support for Intel XMP 3.0. By enabling the XMP profile in your BIOS, you can easily reach the memory's rated overclock speed. However, it's crucial to note that achieving these speeds and maintaining system stability will depend on your motherboard and CPU capabilities. This memory kit boots at the SPD speed at default BIOS settings, ensuring compatibility right out of the box, and offers the potential for impressive overclocked performance when properly configured. In terms of build quality, the Trident Z5 RGB series features a robust aluminum heat spreader that not only looks great but also effectively dissipates heat, ensuring reliable performance during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. The inclusion of a translucent RGB light bar optimized for smooth lighting further adds to the premium feel of this memory kit. Whether you're building a new high-performance gaming rig or upgrading your current system, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM provides an exceptional blend of speed, style, and reliability. Its advanced features and striking design make it a top choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike, promising both cutting-edge performance and visual appeal. That's all for the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience and push your system to its limits, this memory kit is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.